$7,300 in 1 month. What's going on, guys? Happy March 18. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope your families are doing amazing. So, I'm making this video to share a big success from one of my students inside of the private community. Her name is Pooja. She is literally a Punjabi student. She came to Canada like 4 months ago, and she's living in Surrey. So she literally posted this 2 hours ago, guys. I just saw this right now, and I'm gonna read it to you guys. So she said, $7,300 last month, new car. Hello, everyone. I know I haven't posted in a while, but in the last 4 weeks, I have been working hard on my garage door cleaning business and my college exams. I'm working every day on my business, but some days I can only work 3 hours. But the number one thing that I learned is that you need to be consistent, which is true, guys. Consistency is the number one important thing if you want to make money with this business. I started my business 2 months ago and I earned about $14,000 in cash in 2 months, guys. 14,000 freaking dollars in cash. 2 months. And I bought my first car in Surrey 2 weeks ago, which is crazy, guys. She literally bought her first freaking car. And I still cannot believe this is true. But thank you, Miguel, for changing my life with this business. I was really scared to start and take the risk. But I knew that if I did not take the risk, I will be struggling and not having any jobs in Surrey. If you want to start this business too, then message Miguel. That's not how you spell my name, but it's all good. And take the risk. He will guide you and teach you everything, and he has been an amazing mentor to me and helped me make so much money from this business. I'm just a regular student who came to Canada 4 months ago. I'm not special. I just took the risk and worked hard. And you can do it too if you take the risk and work hard. Guys, that is freaking huge. This is one of the most inspirational posts inside of this community. She made $14,000 in 2 months, $7,300 in the last 4 weeks. This is what happens if you guys take the risk and do a real business. I know there's a lot of businesses out there, guys, like online businesses, a lot of things about crypto and investing. If you guys want to make real money, you need to start a real business, not an online business. This is a real business. This is cleaning. All you have to do is clean garage doors, clean windows. It's not difficult at all. It's really, really easy. And the people who take the risk are gonna change their life and get a lot of success. And the best part is you're gonna be getting paid in cash. So when you make money, like when you get a job, after you clean the job, the customer will pay you cash right away. If you're working a job, you probably are getting paid bi-weekly, like every 2 weeks, or some students, they're getting paid monthly, which is really freaking sad. But if you guys have to pay rent, if you guys have like a phone bill, if you guys need to make money, all you have to do is knock 60 doors and you can literally make like $400 in cash and go home with $400 in cash, pay your phone bill or pay your rent. So that's the power when you start a real business. You're providing value for the customers and you're doing a good job. So the big companies, guys, the big companies in Canada, the big companies in America, they usually charge around $200 for a professional garage cleaning job. In my company, I have a professional company in Toronto for window cleaning and garage cleaning. I usually charge my customers around $150 to $200 and they pay me. But if you're just starting this business, the best thing that you guys can do is give a really big discount. Just charge $60, and that's what I'm telling my students. Like Pooja, she cleaned 8 garage doors, made $440. Um, I sold 6 jobs for $60 and 2 jobs for $40. $60 is a really big discount because the customers, they usually pay around $200 for the same service. So if you charge $60, you will get a lot of customers because you're giving a lot of discounts for the customers, and everyone likes discounts. Everyone likes to save money. But that's what's possible if you guys take the risk and you start this business. All you have to do is 3 things. You have to knock on the doors, talk to the customers, and clean their garage doors or clean their windows. And you can make a lot of freaking money in cash every single day. So I literally have 18 pages of student success of all my students who have been making a lot of money with this business. I'm not going to show you guys everything because it's going to take a long time. But look, 560 made, slowly getting a hand of convincing people. You clean 4 houses, clean 5 houses, 6 houses. You go home with $500 in cash every single day. Finished at 10, made $680. $1,650 days. Some students are making like $1,000, $2,000 per day. So that's what's possible with this business, guys. If you guys start this business, it can change your life, especially if you're struggling to find a job, if you're not making a lot of money and you want to be financially free. You want to have a good life. You want to make a lot of money. Maybe if you're a student, you want to pay your tuition fees. You want to help out your family. That's what's possible if you guys start this business. So, if you guys want to take the risk, and look, let me show you guys this. Today was my first day after 10 doors. I sold 2 doors for $400. I just worked 3 hours. $400, guys, on his first freaking day. That's what's possible if you guys change your life, if you guys decide to take the risk and start this business. So, look at this one, guys. $900 on my second day, no worker. Jaden, 17 years old, guys. He's 17 years old, making $900 a day, $400 a day, $300. Like, that's what happens if you guys take the risk and you learn and you just work hard. So, if you guys want to start this business, then you guys can book a free call with me, and we're going to talk about your goals, we're going to talk about your situation, and if I think this is a good opportunity for you, I'll help you get started. I'll help you start your training so you can start working as soon as possible and start making money. So if you guys are ready to start making money with your garage door cleaning business, if you're ready to start learning, if you're ready to start working, then inside of this post, I'm going to add my calendar link. Inside of my calendar link, that is where you can pretty much book a free 30-minute interview call with me. And like I said, we're going to talk about your goals. And if I think this is a good opportunity for you, then I'll help you start training so you can start working as soon as possible. The calendar page is going to look like this. It's going to say free Zoom call with Miguel and team. Then you can click a time. And before you guys choose a time, make sure that you choose a time that you're going to be home, not at college, not on the bus, not outside. Make sure you're going to be home inside of your room and you're going to have a laptop ready. So make sure you choose a time that you're going to 100% be available, because you only get one opportunity. If you miss this call, you're never going to get on an opportunity again, and you're going to lose you're going to lose your spot, and you're going to be removed from the free community. But put your details, your name, your email, and tell me what your job is, and tell me why you want to work with me. Why do you want to work with me and my team? Why do you want to start this business? And how much money you want to make per month? And tell me a good goal. Like, tell me a big goal. Don't just say, I want to make money. If you just say, I want to make money, I'm going to delete your application and I'm going to give this opportunity for another student. Because I have like almost 2,000 students, guys. Inside of the free community, we have 1,000 951 students who are jobless and who are broke and who are not making any money. So if you don't have a good goal, I'm going to delete your application and give this to another student. Every day, we're getting around 50 new students per day. So we're growing fast. Make sure you book your call as soon as possible and just make sure that you're going to be on time. If you don't join on time, you will be removed from the community and we're going to give your spot to another student who is serious and who's going to be on time and who's going to be punctual. This business is not for everyone, guys. This is only for students who are willing to work hard and willing to take the risk and learn. It's very easy. Like, you just have to knock doors, clean garage doors, and clean windows. But not everyone is willing to work hard. There's a lot of students who are lazy. There's a lot of students who are not serious. But if you are serious, if you really, really, really want to work with me and my team and you want to take this risk, then book your call with me, join on time, make sure you're in a quiet room, make sure you join with your laptop, and that's pretty much it, guys. And if you have not joined the free community, guys, I'm going to put the free community inside of the description. Make sure you guys join the free community. That's where you're going to get to connect with me. That's where you can pretty much book your free call with me, and I'm going to guide you and help you get started. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. God bless you. God bless your beautiful families. Guys, it's 2025. Let's do something big this year. Stop wasting time. Stop waiting for a job. If you really, really want to make money, it's up to you. Don't let your family struggle. If your family's struggling, take the freaking risk. Start this business. And this is the easiest business that you can start. You don't need to open up a shop or have a website or buy uniform or need a license. You just have to knock freaking doors and clean garage doors. I don't even have uniform for my team. They're just wearing regular clothes. So 2025, guys, let's make something big. It's March. New Year's was 2 months ago. If you're still stuck in the same position, then take the risk. Take action. It's time to change your life, because if you don't change, nothing is going to change. But thank you guys for staying until the end of this video. I hope to talk to you soon, and God bless you guys. Let's make a lot of fucking money.